people get nervous when they see these headlines. Rhode Island lawmakers to consider several gun-related bills. I hear from so many different Second Amendment supporters, enthusiasts that say, "How is this fair? I enjoy the rights, and how can they do that in this state? And how can they change it there?" And a lot of the gun shop owners feel that this continues to cut in their livelihood. What do you think about some of these proposed gun bills that are going on right now at the State House?
Well, I feel like every year there's always gun bills that are talked about. Whether or not they get passed and stuff like that is a whole different story. So what people have to do is reach out to the people that they elect to represent them and voice their concerns and stuff like that. But some of them go, as gun owners and gun business owners would think that, goes way too far. And then you have the other extreme in Rhode Island that thinks no guns should be anywhere and nobody has a right to it. So I think it's balancing those rights and contacting the General Assembly and kind of voicing your concerns and your opinions, under the US Constitution, under the Rhode Island Constitution. There's a lot of different legal avenues that you can go to protect your rights. But I think they're always introducing new gun laws. And in recent past, some of them have been, passed into law. And some people are really upset about it. I get calls all the time about, different laws that maybe people didn't really realize were in effect. And now all of a sudden they have a handgun that's illegal. And now they're getting charged with felony charges. So